Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your WordPress site using SiteGround Backup. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, log into your SiteGround account. Once logged in, navigate to the Websites tab on the dashboard. Select the website you want to back up. Next, click on the Site Tools button next to your chosen website. In the Site Tools menu, locate and click on the Security option. From the drop-down menu, select Backups. Now, you'll see an overview of your backup options. To create a new backup, click on the button labeled Create Backup. You will be prompted to add a description for your backup. Input a meaningful description to help identify this backup later. Once you've entered the description, click the Confirm button. Your backup process will now begin. You'll see a status indicator showing the progress of your backup. Once the backup is complete, a notification will appear. To view your backups, simply scroll down to the list provided. Here, you can see previous backups along with the option to restore them. If you need to restore, select the backup you wish to use. Click on the Restore button associated with that backup. Confirm your choice when prompted to initiate the restoration process. After a few moments, the restoration will be complete. You can now verify that your site is functioning as expected. And just like that, you have successfully backed up your WordPress site using SiteGround Backup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.